guys, welcome back to another disturbing makeup tutorial. And in today's video I'm gonna try a really different makeup look, and it's called eager makeup. Even though I don't know how to play a single game because I'm not a gamer or something, I haven't even played a hard game or any type of game yet, and I'm really bad at it, but still I'm gonna try the makeup look because it caught my eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna change my face. So the first thing you need to do is look like tofu. You need to take a really light color foundation. It is my shade, but it just doesn't look like it, okay? You can trust the process. Finally, after centuries, I washed my sponge. I look like Kung Fu Panda. You need to gently tap the foundation on your face. Okay, I think we kind of look like tofu. Now we're gonna shape them. We need to make them darker, so I'm gonna take a brown pencil. I bought a new one and I'm gonna shape them. Now we will apply blush on your cheekbone. I will fix that. A really sharp nose contouring. You need to make it sharp enough to cut potato. And we're gonna make it a really sharp button nose. My nose looks really sharp. When applying blush, make sure it doesn't look like some monkey's ass. Now we will do our eyes. We're gonna make the most fat wing ever. Now we're gonna take a black smudgeable eyeliner and we're gonna smudge it. Take a brush and then we're gonna smudge the do the same thing here. As you can see, it looks like this. Now we need highlighter. Take a small brush in the inner side of your eyes. That's so much highlighter. So I'm gonna make some fake. Okay, so the freckles are making this look more eagle. Oh, eagle. Now we need to do our lips. Now I'm gonna take a brown pencil and I'm gonna make my cupid bow go away. Like this. I think I'm gonna try something different. This lipstick is not good. Okay, this is giving e-girl. I think I forgot to do contouring. Now I'm gonna change my clothes. I still like the makeup. I forgot to apply mascara. Okay, I finally got my mascara. Okay, as you can see, the makeup is done and it looks so good, to be honest. Fake freckles are like really cool with this makeup look, and I think they kind of make the makeup look complete. And yeah, the eagle makeup is definitely really easy and it just requires a big eyeliner and a lot of highlighter. I think I like the makeup, it's cool. And this was my first time drawing fake freckles and I look good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more disturbing makeup tutorial like this. Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.